Hi, my name is Alexander Palombi, and I'm going to tell you about why the Mongolians invaded Japan. The Mongolians tried to invade Japan twice and failed. For example, Kublai Khan sent fleets across the Korean Strait only to be struck by powerful storms and shipwreck. Mongolia tried to invade the islands of Churamashu on November the 4th and Ulkai just off the coast of Kyushu. 7 years later, Kublai Khan tried again. The Mongolians launched a two-pronged attack against Japan, with a combined fleet of almost 4,000 ships and 140,000 men. The Eastern Army sailed from Korea on May the 22nd. The Southern Army sailed from southern China on July the 5th. The two fleets were to meet at Ilkai and proceed together against mainland Japan. The Eastern Army subbed Churamashu and Ilkai in early June. Instead of waiting for the Southern Army to arrive, they moved onto Hakka Bay. A big typhoon struck the shores of Kyushu for 2 days straight. Mongolia tried to attack Japan twice and failed. When the Mongolians tried to invade Japan on 2 occasions, it was not their army but the weather that caused them to lose. On the 15th of August, 12,081, a massive typhoon assaulted the shores of Kyushu for 2 days straight. Only a few of the Khan's 4,400 ships survived the huge waves and terrible winds. Nearly all of the soldiers drowned, and those that remained in Japan were murdered by the samurai. Despite these terrible losses from the typhoon, the Mongolians kept trying. The Mongols tried to invade Churamashu on November the 4th and then tried to invade Iki. When the Mongolians did invade these two places, they were successful. In 1274, a very large group of men tried to invade Japan again. On November the 2nd, 900 ships left Korea with 40,000 men from China, Juchen, and Korea itself. There were also 5,000 Mongolians on horseback. The local samurai were shocked and could not survive such a huge number of soldiers. They were defeated by the Mongols. The Mongols were feeling confident and now decided to attack the mainland. On November 19th, the Mongolians decided to invade the mainland of Japan. The Mongolians now knew how to achieve victory by having lots and lots of soldiers. The Mongolians landed at Hakka Bay, but this time the Japanese were ready. Both armies used arrows in the battle. The Japanese shot their arrows at particular Mongolian soldiers. The Mongolians shot huge numbers of arrows all in one go at no particular soldiers. This frightened the Japanese. Then the Mongolians fired bombs and iron balls at the Japanese, and the Japanese retreated. However, a storm struck the Mongolian fleet and the Mongolians withdrew. Thank you for listening.